Planning to upgrade your Power BI Dataflows Gen1 but don't know where to start? The Dataflows Upgrade Wizard in preview provides eligible workspaces on Fabric capacity with a guided way to move to Fabric Dataflows Gen2 CI/CD. Here's what you need to know. Modernize when you're ready. You don't need to upgrade your entire Dataflow estate at once. The Upgrade Wizard provides a guided, self-service path to modernize selected Power BI Dataflows Gen1 while preserving your existing Power Query logic. Unlock the benefits of Dataflows Gen2. Fabric Dataflows Gen2 CI/CD builds on the familiar Power Query experience while adding capabilities for development, operations, integration, and scalability. With Git integration, Fabric deployment workflows, multiple data destinations, performance features such as fast copy and partitioned compute, and Copilot-assisted authoring, teams can build a more modern data workflow. Upgrade with confidence. The wizard assesses your data flows before the upgrade and highlights whether they are ready to migrate, need attention, or upgrade unavailable. Once completed, the upgraded item preserves key elements such as its ID, schedule, queries, and connections, helping downstream reports and semantic models continue working without source remapping. Validate and move forward. After upgrading, refresh your data flows, rebind downstream data flows, address any remaining recommendations, and update consumers using the legacy Power BI Dataflows connector. Because the upgrade cannot be reversed, start with a representative set of data flows, validate the results, and expand your migration at a pace that works for your organization. The bottom line: Power BI Dataflows Gen1 remains supported in a legacy state, while Microsoft's new feature investment is focused on Fabric Dataflows Gen2. The Upgrade Wizard gives you a practical way to start modernizing without rebuilding your existing Power Query logic. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.